Hello, welcome to Texas Style Cuisine. Glad you joined us today. I'm Chef Johnny, and today I'm going to show you how I process a wild boar loin. Let's get started on this loin. It's out of a nice little pig my nephew shot the other day. He brought it by and dropped it off, and we've made the rest of it into sausage. So y'all are gonna get to see a little sausage videos out here. But one thing that I do is once we cut them out, we like to put them on ice and let them sit for a while on ice. A day or two is perfectly fine. If it's cold enough, you can let them hang. Like to let them hang also. But we're going to get the silver skin off, and what fat is up here on the top. And as you can see, there's a little flap right here I'm going to take off, and then I'm going to get that silver skin off. So I've got my little utility knife good and sharp, and I'm just going to take this piece off right here. There we go. And we're just going to kind of take this fascia right here, and we want this fascia off here. Once you kind of get it going, a lot of times you can just grab it, and as you can see, it pulls off very easy. Now that's off. And what I'm going to do next is, if you want to start on the end, you can, or wherever, but I'm just going to go right here. It's going to be easy to show y'all. I'm taking my knife right up underneath the skin, and when I cut down, I really kind of got an upward angle on this blade, because what I don't want is, I don't want to cut down into the loin a lot. Hope you see that, but very, very little meat up on top of that loin. So I'm going to flip it around since I'm left-handed here. Hold the fascia with my right hand and just continue to go on down this loin. Just like that, bit of silver skin. Go, a little bit left. Kind of run my knife right here. That's done. Flip it over the other way. All right. So there you go. We got the silver skin off. This is ready to go to work, and you can package this as one unit. If you wanted to go ahead and butterfly it out and use it for steaks, you could go ahead and do that, or chops. You could do that. What I usually do is I'll usually cut them in half. And since this is kind of a small end, I'm gonna go a little bit past middle and cut it right there. And as you can see, you know, it's not real thick, but if you were to butterfly this, you'd cut about 1.5 inch piece, and then about 3/4 inch cut halfway through, and you can butterfly it open. But I like to do them solid because I don't know what I'm going to do with them later on. But that'll make a nice little meal for the wife and I. And when you cook one, you always kind of do that to them. But what I want to show you next is how we package them. And I have a FoodSaver vacuum seal, so I'm going to kind of show you how to vacuum seal these and get them wrapped up and ready for the freezer. So we've got this ready to go. So I know this is my pork loin. I'll open up my sealer. And the first thing I'm going to do is seal off this first end. So I'll lay it on there, take it down, clamp it into place, click seal. And these FoodSavers, they automatically turn on and off when you want them to, so, or on their own once they've gone long enough. Okay, that end is sealed. Pop it open. So I've got a nice seal on here, so nothing will fall through. Now I'm going to take my pork loin, put it in, get the other half of it. It's in there. And now when I put this in, I tuck it down into this trough. Don't want to come out the back side because that's where the vacuum is going to come from. Right there, locked in. And then I am going to vacuum and seal. You can tell if it's not sucking air, your bag will not start shrinking up. And if it doesn't, you just go in there and readjust your bag. You don't have it quite in there right. All right, not sealing up. So may have not gotten a good seal on this end, so I'm going to come back here, and I'm just going to seal that end again. So this says it's sealed. I got a double line on there, so let's vacuum and seal. All right, it's sucking down this time. As y'all saw, I was having trouble getting the vacuum sealer to work. I thought maybe it wasn't sealed correctly or something. Well, it quit pulling pressure. And I can't drive, it's about 10 years old. And it's gone through a whole lot of seal bags. So, ran up to the HEB. This one actually was on sale 50% off. Got it for $75. So, we're going to unbox it, see what happens. My other one was a Sportsman's Edition. I don't know exactly what the difference between it and this one is, but this was the best deal. So we picked it up. I'm going to get it out of the box, get it hooked up, and we'll see if we can show you how to seal off those tenderloins. This one actually works a little different. It actually has a spot. I've already got this one in there, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. But this one has a spot where you can put the roll in here and run it up underneath here, like that, and seal your bag, then pull it out and cut it to make bags. So that's going to come in handy. It's going to save time and everything else. But for right now, I'm going to throw it back up in there. I'll take my bag, put it in here. All right, I got my bag in there. So now we're going to see if we can finally seal up these pork loins. Close it. I'm going to lock it down. Then I'm going to hit vacuum and seal. Oh yeah. It's sucking down this time. Once it gets enough, there you go. Got enough pressure in it. It's going to go ahead and seal it off. There you go. Done. Turn the lock loose. Raise the lid. So, nice sealed bag. Sealed all the way through, it looks like. Let's see here. Oh, it did not seal. Let's put this in here. Close it up. Let's hit the seal. Sucking it down tight. Now, it's told us it's sealed it up. We're going to check and see. Go in here. Check. That one did not seal good. Right there. And that is a brand new bag. Moisture tray good. Lock it. I'm going to hit the seal. Pull it tight. All right. We'll see what happens. Huh. We do it again. So, we're going to hit seal, vacuum and seal. This is not a good advertisement for FoodSaver, is it? Cut this bag off. So I got enough bag left. Slide it up in the container good. Alright, close it. Lock it. Seal. Well, at least this was full of vacuum, it just won't seal. The other one would seal. Now it's pretty cold out here, but I don't think that should make a difference. Now it tells us it's sealed. Let's look. Check it. That time it's sealed up. Just to be safe, I'm gonna close it, and I'm just gonna hit the seal button, seal it a second time. There we go. Got a double seal on it, but it's nice. Seems like it stayed airtight. Doesn't look like it leaked any. Hope I'll have to get this back to FoodSaver. So there we go. Pork loins are in. Turn it around. Put it into the dip tray. Lock it down. Vacuum and seal. And it's not sealed. I can tell you there's air in it. So somewhere it's leaking. Now that end, that time sealed, so my question is was it this end? We'll try it again. And get both of them in there. Flip it around. Put it in, lock it down. Vacuum. Pulling it tight. It's pulling it tight this time. It says it's sealed. Don't look at it. Well, it held vacuum that time. Our pork loins are sealed. FoodSaver has redeemed itself. I tell you what, if you like to see fails, you got to see one this time on Texas Style Cuisine. That FoodSaver was having a hard time working. We did get the new one. Maybe you just had to get that heat strip heated up enough for being out here, because it is very cold. Anyways, we're going to get the rest of this loin. I got some deer loins to get in there. We have a few things to get put in that needs to be done, and we're going to try to get all that sealed up. The sausage we made. You'll see some videos come up. I don't know if I'll get them posted before this one, but I have some deer sausage videos coming up that we mixed with this wild hog that we were able to harvest the other day. And also we have some straight run wild hog sausage. And we're going to get that on there and get those posted up on how we made each of those and get that taken care of. And remember, if you like that kind of stuff, hey, hit that subscribe button. I always do appreciate that. And click that notification bell so you know it whenever we're putting up new videos, you get that notification. Thanks for stopping by. Tell your friends and family about us. Give us that thumbs up down there. Share us on your social media, and we're going to see you down the road on Texas Style Cuisine.
Sitting by the wagon when the sun come up this morning, bacon, eggs, and coffee, biscuits, and beans. Cookie strikes the bell and he rings the world a warning. How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.